Hello, my name is Quint McKee with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, aka IP Truck, here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today we're going to take a look at stock number 12531. Again, that's stock number 12531, which is an Isuzu MPR HD gas crew cab. Now, Isuzu has two different engine models for the N series, gas and diesel. However, this truck is going to be with a 6-liter V8 gas engine married to a 6-speed Isuzu transmission that's automatic. So it's literally a turnkey operation and go. Now, most of you are probably pretty familiar with the Isuzu brand, but it's actually been the market share leader in the cab over market, class 3 through 5, for the last 35 years. It actually boasts a 75% market share in this current market. So when I say they are the king of the cab over, they truly are. The first thing you're gonna notice about this truck is its cab over design, like I alluded to earlier. Which means the cab is over the engine or over the front axle, which is going to give you a couple really nice inherent qualities, such as reducing your footprint, your overall footprint, by reducing the front end here, as well as giving you great maneuverability, visibility, and in fact serviceability on these trucks. Now again, it is going to be the Isuzu MPR HD, which is going to give you that 14,500 GVW rating, which is going to keep you well below CDL while still giving you plenty of payload capacity in the landscape market to get your product from job site to job site. A couple of really nice features they've done here with the Isuzu is if you guys ever get into a tight situation or actually ding your mirrors here, you won't be popping them off because they have memory stay technology there. So it's easy to condense as well as bring it back out. And also a side marker light here that's going to alert the drivers to your side that you're changing lanes, which is just going to increase your safety rating. Now again, this is going to be the crew cab design, so it's got a super spacious back seat here. I'll let the cameraman take a really good look back there. It is going to be a 4-man bench, and one thing I really want to point out here is it's got 4 safety belts back here, so 4 men can fit in this truck legally and comfortably. And using this grab handle here, they can go down the road extremely easily. It will have your fire extinguisher kit as well as triangle kit for the factory. Take a look up front. Isuzu's done a really nice job designing this cab to be really driver-centric and passenger-centric. Using the grab handles, getting in and out of this truck is super easy. It'll be a 2-man bench with a 1-man captain seat up here with a fold-down workstation here, so your guys can get out of the elements and do any kind of log books or job reviews from inside the cab and out of the elements. Power locks, power windows are standard in this truck, as well as an AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth, an AC, as well as, like I said before, a 6-speed automatic transmission. So it's a turnkey, put it in drive and go. A multi-information dash display will give your driver a great point for data points and keep him super efficient while still keeping his eyes straight to the road. And if the cameraman take a really good look at the front, you can see that great visibility. It's in fact an 8-foot driver to ground visibility rating, which means I can see the ground 8 feet in front of me. Now compare that to some of your conventionals, you're up to 20 to 25 feet. We'll take a look at the back of this truck here. And if the cameraman take a really good look at the side frame, you'll see it's a super clean side frame. So any kind of toolboxes, rattle cages, or whatever you want to put back here can be put on with our body shop, and it will be sitting on a spring ride and hydraulic brake situation. Now this is kind of a unique situation as far as the box goes. This is going to be a brand new chassis paired with a used body with a new ramp system in the back. Now it's still going to be in really great shape, and we'll get some really good pictures and videos of inside the box so you can see it firsthand. But cosmetically, this truck is in really great shape. Another thing I want to point out too is a lot of people just see a 16-foot white box going down the road. But here at Industrial Power, we actually see the opportunity to turn your fuel dollars into advertising dollars by putting in a simple decal system or a full customizable wrap that we can do here at the body shop. It will literally turn your truck into a mobile billboard and just spur more business for your company by giving it more advertising and more exposure. Now again, I said this is going to be a used body, but it will have brand new ramps that we've manufactured here at Industrial Power. Here at Industrial Power, we've done a really good job over the years of catering to the landscape business. So we have developed these ramps to really be a great asset for you out in the field. The expanded metal here will allow for your the dirt, soot, mud, whatever it is your guys have on their boots to go straight down to the floor without actually tracking it inside the body. It's going to have a nice pitch, so any kind of zero turns or any kind of wheeled equipment can easily get up in here, as well as, like I said, it will be a used body. It'll have slat line with 2 rows of E-track all the way around, as well as scuff boarding on the bottom. It will be hardwood floors, as well as aluminum siding, aluminum roofing. And what's really great about these hardwood floors is if you have any kind of push mowers, you can actually do a bracket system nailed down to the floor so they're not rolling around. Again, it's in really, really great shape. I don't see any kind of sponginess to the floor or any kind of dents and dings or any kind of light coming through the floor, sides, or the roof. So I think we've done a really good job taking a look around this truck. If you have any specific questions, please go to our website and search for 12531. Again, that's 12531. Put an inquiry on this truck and one of our salesmen will contact you directly. Go to our LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook pages. Give us a follow on all 3. We're constantly updating our inventory online, so go take a look at that. And I appreciate you taking some time to look at this vehicle. Have a great day.